What if I told you you're already a time traveler? Sounds crazy, right? But every second as you move forward, you're shifting through time. And Einstein had a lot to say about that. Embrace the adventure of time travel, 1 second at a time.
Welcome to Mindwarp Science. Today we're diving into one of the strangest questions science has ever faced. Is time travel really possible, or just a dream for sci-fi lovers? Let's unravel the truth, the theories, the paradoxes, and what would actually happen if you went back in time. Don't forget to subscribe for more brain-melting facts every week. What is time, really? Let's start with the basics. We all think of time as a constant, like a ticking clock that never stops. But in 1905, Albert Einstein shattered that idea with his theory of relativity. He said time isn't fixed. It can speed up or slow down depending on how fast you're moving or how close you are to something with massive gravity. Sounds theoretical? It's not. GPS satellites in orbit have to adjust their clocks constantly because time moves slightly faster for them than for us on Earth. Think about that. Without correcting for time dilation, your Google Maps would get you lost. Mind warp moment. That means astronauts on the International Space Station are aging slightly slower than we are. So, does that mean they're time travelers? Time travel to the future. Already possible? Believe it or not, time travel to the future is not just possible. It's already been done. It's called time dilation, and it happens when you travel at speeds close to the speed of light. In 1971, scientists flew atomic clocks on airplanes. When they returned, the clocks had ticked slightly slower than those on the ground. Even weirder, Russian astronaut Sergei Krikalev spent so much time in space, he technically moved 0.02 seconds into the future. That's not much, but it proves the point. Time can be stretched. Now, Theo, imagine this. If we could build a spaceship that travels near the speed of light, the crew might experience a few months of travel while years pass on Earth. Want to see the future? Just go really fast. Time travel to the past. So, the future's doable, but what about going back in time? Now things get tricky. Idea number 1, wormholes, shortcuts through space and time. In theory, enter in 2025, exit in 1985. The catch? We've never seen one, and you'd need negative energy. Idea number 2, cosmic strings, super thin energy threads from the Big Bang. They might warp space-time enough to make time loops. Idea number 3, Tipler cylinders. Spin a super heavy cylinder at near light speed. It might bend time into a circle, but we can't build it yet. These ideas are fascinating, but need impossible energy or tech. We don't have yet. The time travel paradoxes. Imagine you could go back in time. What happens next? Time travel leads to mind-bending paradoxes. The grandfather paradox. Stop your grandfather from meeting your grandmother. Would you still be born? If not, who went back in time? The bootstrap paradox. Give Shakespeare his own plays. He publishes them, but where's the original idea? The predestination paradox. Trying to change the past causes it to happen. You can't change destiny. You're stuck in a loop. These paradoxes seem silly, but physicists take them seriously. If time travel is possible, why no time travelers yet? The multiverse theory. A possible fix for time travel paradoxes. Imagine this. Every time you go back, you don't change your past. Instead, you create a new universe. That's the multiverse theory. Stop World War II? Sure, but that's a new timeline. Your original reality? Unchanged. Time travel doesn't break anything. It just adds a branch to the infinite tree of realities. Mind blown. Time travel in pop culture. Let's break it down. Back to the Future. Cool concept, but paradoxes everywhere. Interstellar. Surprisingly accurate with time dilation near a black hole. Tenet. Complete chaos, but touches on reversed entropy, a real physics concept. These films get creative, but they also highlight just how messy time travel can get. Which one's your favorite? Will we ever travel through time? Here's the big question. Is time travel possible? To the future? Yes, with better tech. To the past? Maybe, but it's a huge if. We'd need new physics or machines that warp space-time. Even if possible, there may be limits, like time machines only working after they're built. No going back to dinosaurs, but maybe a message from next week. Final thought experiment. Let's dream for a second. If you had one chance to time travel, would you go forward to see humanity's future? Or back to fix a mistake, meet a hero, or witness history? Or maybe, just maybe, someone from the future is watching this video right now. If you are, leave a comment. We'll keep it secret. If this video stretched your brain, hit that like button. Subscribe to Mindwarp Science for more science that challenges what you think you know. And tell us in the comments, if time travel became real, what's the first thing you'd do?